Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade V70 Max, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Then let's tap on languages and enter system languages. Tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to scroll and find yours, and I will pick Greek. Alright, we've got it, so it was immediately applied to the list. However, the English in my case is still a main one. So what do we have to do right now? Simply reorder the languages. So let me tap on the Greek one, tap on it and hold it, and as you can see now I can drag it to the very first position. Release the finger, and your device will immediately ask you whether you want to change the system language. So just tap on change. And as you can see, in my case, the Greek language has been immediately applied, and from now on everything is displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Then let's tap on change. And we've got English set. Of course, if you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Then let's mark the languages which you'd like to delete from this list, and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove to confirm. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.